Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Children. So after this, I think after 4 o'clock you don't have any class. Yes. Then you have holidays. Yes.
Maybe.
Puja holidays. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Today
children,
we
we are
have
going to
accent reduction.
yes, accent reduction. After which time?
5:40.
It's not there maybe because till 4 o'clock only. No, we have class today.
Ma'am, till
Puja.
5:40 the books come.
Ma'am, on every Friday accent
I mean,
reduction.
Okay. So children, because today we have puja, that is, I think after 4 o'clock it will, no classes will be. Okay. So children, now we are going to listen. Now we are going to finish this LCM and HCF, that chapter 6.3. Now, which question we are doing, Anthony? Please unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Which question?
19th over 20.
Question number 20. Can you tell the page number? Page number
69.
69. All the children, please take out your math workbook. Page number 69. Question number 20. Yes, Anthony, read.
Find the LCM of the given numbers by the prime factorization method.
Okay. So before that, I gave you two homework, 19B and I think which question? 15B. Have you completed, children? Yes or no? Homework? Yes?
19B.
19B and one more homework was there. Which was that? 15 or 16? I think 16. 16.
16.
Completed? Yes? If I show me the homework. 16 and 19B. 16 and 19B. Yes. Homework. Those who are not showing me, can I see that you have not done? Okay, Fia, question number 16 where? 16. Okay. So children, question number 16. Devak, tell me the answer. Question number 16. Yes, Devak. All the children, please listen whether you got correct answer. Yes, I think I have sent the notes. Yes, Devak. 16. Find prime factorization using the factor tree. 45.
45 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3.
Huh? 5 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3 into 5. And what about 19B? What is LCM? 19B, LCM.
150.
150. Children, you got correct answer? 19B, the answer is 150. Okay, now we are going to do question number 20. So children, as we have done question number 19 and 18, like that, first what you have to do, you have to prime factorize, then find out the LCM. Okay, then I will show you that two numbers. Yes, Gautam.
Well, let me tell this answer.
Answer. Wait. We are going to know. Otherwise, the children. Okay.
Okay.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are doing now question number 20.
20.
20A. Question number 20A. Find the LCM of 24 and 36. So 24 and 36. Children, you can do. Now I will show you with the separate. Afterwards, I will show you with two numbers how we can take the. So 24. Yes, Richard, please unmute Richard. 24 divided by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
24 divided by 2.
Ma'am, 24 divided by 2.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Look at the board. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2,
4 divided by 2, 2.
2. Again, we can divide.
6,
6. Now, 2,
3.
3. So we can write 24 as
2
24
into
as
2
2
into
multiplied
into
by 2
into-
multiplied by 2 again multiplied by 3. So children, I told you either you can do this division or you can write 24, then 2, 12. Okay, this is factor 3. That also is possible. And 2 again,
Three is-
6. Now here again 2, 3. Both way, if you do division also, if you do factor 3 also, the answers will be same. And you have to write the number 24 as the product of prime numbers. Okay.
Ma'am, I did the prime factorization method.
Tell me 36 can be written as
3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into.
Anandesh. Are you Anandesh?
2 into 2
Yes,
into 3 into 3.
Anandesh is going to tell me. Okay, if
2
you
into 2
have
into 3
any
into
doubt,
3.
one we can make. 2. 36 divided by 2.
36 divided
1 into
by
2.
18.
16. 18. Now 18 again we can divide by 2.
So, 18 into
18 divided by 2.
9.
9 into
9.
2.
9. Okay. Again now 3 in 3. Yes, children. So how we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into
3. Ma'am, you have sent the notes. I checked.
question number 20. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, dancer and wrote.
So that, okay. That was there in the one page, that's why. So the answer is what?
22 into 3 into
24 and here LCM. Yes, we had to find the LCM of 24 and 36. So we can take here maximum 2 is repeated. Here 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2. Here it is 1 time. Here it is 2 times. So we can take
Ma'am, 2 times.
2 times.
3 into
So
3.
multiply and tell me the answer. 2 into 2.
72.
4
Ma'am,
into 2, 8.
times.
8 into 3 is 24 into 3. The answer is 72.
72. Okay.
So children, this is LCM. Okay. So LCM here we will take maximum number. Here 2 is repeated maximum 3 times. And here 3 1 time, in here 3 2 times. So we will take the maximum. And what about the HCF? HCF no need to write, but look at this. Yes, Agnay, look at this question and tell me the HCF.
2 into
HCF means we have to take only one, which is common. Here also it's common. Here it's also common. So what's the answer? 2 into
3.
2 into 3. So 2 into 4 into 3. 12 is the HCF and LCM. See, always LCM is bigger than HCF.
Bigger than HCF.
Okay. Now all the children, please look at the board. I will show this LCM with 2 digits together. Okay. In your higher classes and all, you can always do this too. Yes, Agnay?
Ma'am, we can do B 2 digits together.
What?
B 2 digits
Ah.
together we can do.
Together. Everything I will show you. But in your book, you have to first, even if you write 2, 2, okay, but you have to write this 24 and 36 as the product of prime numbers, because the question is, find the LCM of the given numbers by prime factorization method.
Factorization method.
Okay.
So you had to, anyway you can do, is either by writing 2 numbers together or factor 3 or single, but you have to write these numbers as product of prime. Now 24 and 36. 24 and 36 I'm going to do together. So
Ma'am,
here,
2.
Fia. Okay, Fia is going to tell me this.
Ma'am,
Fia.
2.
All of this, please mute. Fia. Okay. Fia, I want to divide this by 2. Can you unmute? Okay. All the children, please mute yourself. Now, Fia, check whether you can unmute. All of you, please mute. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to do this together now. So here we you know that this is 4 and here also is 6. They are even numbers. So we can divide by 2. Yes? Okay. Now,
Ma'am.
24 divided by 2. We have done everything. Now we are going to do together. Okay. What is 24 divided by 2?
11.
11 into 2 is 22. Check one by one. 2.
12.
Look here. 2 divided by 2. 1.
1.
4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. 2. 12. So we got 12. We know 12 into 2 is 24. Yes? 12 into 2 is 24. Here,
24.
we will take 3. 1 into 2, it's 2. Remainder 1. 16. 16 divided by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
16. Yes, 16 divided by 2. Or you can divide 36 by 2. So you'll get
18.
18. Okay. Now, again, here is 2. Here is 8. Even numbers. Again, you can divide by 2. Okay. 12 divided by 2?
6.
6. What about 18 divided by 2?
9.
9. Yes, 9. Now take here 3. Here 6 and here 9. So we cannot divide 9 by 2. So we are taking 3. 3. Now 2 times 3 is 6.
2.
3 into 3 is 9.
3.
Okay, children. So if we want to find out the HCF, we will stop by here. 2 into 2 into 3 only. But to find the LCM, what we have to do? We have to do till 1, 1. We will factorize again, even if there is no common. Here 2, here 3. So we are going to divide by 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is what?
1.
2 divided by 2?
1.
1. 3 we cannot divide by 2. So we will just write like the same. Okay. We cannot divide 3 by 2. So we just write it down. Now we have here 1 here. Also we have to make it 1. So how we can make 3?
1.
1 we will write here. 3 divided by 3? 1. Now we can stop. Okay. So here when we get till 1, 1, we have to do for LCM. So how LCM we can write here? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So here 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So the same here 2 into 2 into 2. Here also 2 into 2 into 2. Here also 3 times 2 times 3. Here also 2 times
Excuse
3.
me,
So
ma'am.
you will get the answer as 72.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you do till 1, right? Ma'am, if we didn't do like that, is there any problem?
Then you will not get LCM. Maybe you are doing HCF. HCF means no need to do till 1, 1. But if you want to find out
Okay, ma'am.
LCM, you have to do till 1, 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, HCF means we can do only if there are common numbers between the two common factors, between the two numbers. But least common, that is LCM means least common multiple. So that you can do least, however, we can reduce till 1, 1. You have to do, find out the LCM. Till you will get 1, 1.
And can you tell the HCF?
HCF.
Yes, ma'am.
HCF, we will, here 3, we will stop by here. Here we have 6 2s are 12, 9 2s are 18. Now 6 and 9 can be divided by 3. So that is 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. So HCF we have only 2 and 3, they are different and they are prime numbers. So no need to do again. So HCF is 2 into 2 into 3 only. This much only. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Okay. Till this much only we can do for HCF. HCF we can do highest common means both it should be common in the factor should be common in both the numbers. It should be divisible. Understood, Ayman?
Ma'am,
Are you there? I cannot see.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
ma'am, my mother told another trick. Ma'am, you told the HCF is 2 into 2 into 3, right?
Finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Okay, so those children who have not, okay, for those
Ma'am,
children
we
who
can-
have not done. Question number B. See, these two numbers together, it's not compulsory because we are not learning this method in our now class 5. So I was just showing because that is useful for you in your future classes. Question number 40. Question number B is 40 and 50. So first you have to write the prime numbers. Okay, Gautam, can you tell me these prime numbers? I will use factor tree now. 40. 40 we can write as 2 into
2 into 20.
20. 2 into 20. And 20 again we have to 2 into 10.
2 into 10.
Okay.
5
Okay.
into 2.
10 again what we have to do?
2 into 5.
2 into
5.
5. Okay. So can you tell me as the product? 1, 2,
2
3,
into 2
4. Okay.
into
2
5.
into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, children. You have to write 40 as the product of prime numbers. Okay. Now, Angelina, please unmute and help me to factorize 50.
Yes, ma'am. 10, 50.
1 minute. 50. We have to write.
50.
So I will start with always with the 2 if it is divisible by 2. 2 into which number is 50?
2 into, ma'am, 25.
Let Angelina. Yes, Angelina. 2
25,
into which number? 2 into
25.
25. Now 2 is prime. No need to do it again. Okay. Now 25 can be written as Angelina.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
5 into 5.
5 into 5. Very good. 5 into 5. So 50 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we can do with 5 and 10, right?
5 and 10 also it's possible. Look here now. Angelina. 5 and 10. 10 again how you can do? 2 and 5.
Same
So
answer.
again, same you will get. Anyway, if you do, you will get the same
Number.
factors because we are doing prime factors. Okay. Now, Angelina has to tell me LCM.
Yes, ma'am.
LCM. We have to take the maximum number, yes? 2 is repeated maximum.
2 into 3, 3 times 2.
3 times 2. Very good. Here it is repeated 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
3.
What about 5? Here 1 time, here 2 times.
And 2 times.
2 times. So we have to take this here 2 times also. So
Yes,
5
ma'am.
into 5.
And 2.
Children, find out the answer and tell me.
200.
200. Okay. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 5,
540.
40 into 5,
200.
200. So children, this is the answer. All of you got this answer? How many got this 200 as answer? Can you raise your hand? How many got answer? Okay, I can see. Now, children, you want to do that 2 numbers together. Now, I want to show you that one.
Yes. Yes.
Now, you know the answer 200. Now, check when you do that 2 numbers together. We want to check whether we are getting 200. Okay.
I did
Yes.
together.
So I will
Ma'am,
show
I
you.
did together and I got 200.
Okay, very good. Now,
I
again,
also.
okay. So those children who want to do it together, what I am going to share that we are going to do now together. Now here. So this 40 and 50 together we are going to do. For this I'm taking under. Okay. Yes, who is there? Ayman, can you please unmute and help me? Ayman.
Ma'am,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here 40 and 50. So we can divide by 2. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me 40 divided by 2.
20.
20. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay.
25.
50 divided by 2.
25.
25. Now here it's 5. Here it's 0. So we cannot divide by 2. So we can
And so
take
5.
5. Now 20.
4.
4. Here
5.
5. 5. Okay, man. If it is HCF, we will finish by here. 2 into 5 only. For
Yes, ma'am.
HCF, we will take only 2 multiplied by 5. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
But for LCM, we have to do
We will take
again.
4 and 5.
But we cannot take 4, always prime numbers. So I will start again with the 2. Because 2 can be, the 4 is divisible by 2. Okay? Yes, Ayman?
Yes, ma'am.
We can do prime factorization. So we are doing with it prime numbers. 4 is not a prime number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me 4 divided by 2?
2.
2. But this 5 we will write same like 5 because 5 is not divisible by 2.
2.
Understood?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Again we are taking 2. Now 2 and 2 divided by 1. 1. This 5 we cannot do anything because 5 is not divisible. So we will take.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to take 5. So we will do 1 and 1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now look here now LCM for here we had to write 2 into again 5 again 2 again 2 again 5. Now check 5 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. So what is 2 into 5? 10.
10.
10 into 2?
20.
20. 20 into 2?
40.
40 into 5?
200.
200. So any method if you do, you will get the same answer. Okay, children, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, children. Can we do the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 21.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is calling?
Mafia. Ma'am, when we do dividing together in HCF, I did not understand.
What is there to understand here? It's till here only we had to do. Same method we are doing. Same method.
With LCF and HCF, that one I have confused.
Okay. Here we are dividing by 2. So you'll get 20 and 25. And here again we are dividing by 5. You are getting 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
For HCF means we had to take the common factors. Here 4 and 5. We don't have. 40 divided by 2 will get 20. 20 divided by 5 we will get 4. 25 divided by 5 we will get 5. So we will stop by here. Okay. We will not take 4 and 5 because 4 and 5 there is no common numbers, common factors to divide. So only this much we have to take. 2 into 5, 10. Okay. Because 4 and 5 there are no common factors. HCF we have to divide with the common factors only. Highest common. We cannot take least common from there. Highest common only. Okay, children, take question number 21.
Ma'am, I took.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished.
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, I finished.
Children, those who finish, wait for others. Let them do. Okay, now next one is find the HCF of 12, 15 and 18. Question number 21. What is the page number? 70. Page 70. We have to find what? HCF. So first of all, you have to children write the prime factorization of 12, prime factorization of 15, and prime factorization of 18. Find out these prime factors. Wait. So you can do one by one or three numbers together, no problem. Okay, so you can do one by one or three numbers together, but you have to write these three numbers as the product of prime numbers. Okay. Okay, Fia, tell me 12 as the product of prime numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 12 can be written as
2
2
into
into
2 into 2 into 3.
2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so children, I told you, if you don't know, you have to multiply and check whether you are getting 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Okay, what about 15?
3 into
3
5.
into 5. Very easy one, yes? Okay, now what is 18? How we can write 2 into? 2 into 9.
Ma'am.
9 again you have to write how?
Huh? Yes, ma'am.
18 how we can write as the product of prime numbers?
9 is not. So,
What is the doubt? 2 into 9. And this 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Yes? So 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. 2 into 3 into 3. Now children, what we have to find out? We have to find out HCF, the highest common factor. Okay, Anandesh, what's the answer? Highest common factor? HCF.
ma'am. 3. 3.
Here 2, but here there is no 2. So we cannot take. Here we have 3. Check. 3 is common here. 3 is common here. 3 is common here. So what is HCF?
3.
3 only. Okay, children. Here there is no 5. Here there is no 5. So we cannot take 5. 2 is here and here, but here there is no 2. So we cannot take. We have to see all HCF is 3. All of you got the answer 3? Any doubt? Yes, children? Is there any doubt? Anybody didn't get HCF as 3?
Ma'am, can you show the together method?
Together. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So together we have 12, 15, 18. Okay. Okay. Daniel, tell me. Daniel, please unmute. Yes, Daniel, can you hear me? Can you say that? Yes, Anthony, please unmute and tell me which number I can divide here. Here it is divisible by 2. Here also divisible by 2. Here it's not possible. So by which number we can divide both? No, 3 numbers.
3.
3, yes. 3. 4 into 3 is 12. 5 into 3 is 15.
3 is 12. 15.
6 into 3 is 18.
18.
Okay. So children,
ma'am.
is there any other common numbers to divide here? Is there any other common numbers?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Here we cannot take
No,
4, 5, 6. All are different. So
Yes, ma'am.
here only we can do till 3.
Only are multiplied by.
Ma'am, if we are finding the LCM, what
LCM
we will
means
do?
we have to reduce till 1.
4, 5, 6, nothing is common, so.
We can take if there are 2. If we are not, there is no common also, we are dividing now.
Yes.
So where is Ayman? Yes, Ayman. Where is he?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So till 3 here for HCF.
Ma'am,
Now,
HCF, we will
Chinmay,
not do.
please look at the board. I will show you how to reduce till 1, 1. Now here 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 will write same, 3 2s are 6. Again we can take 2, 1, 5 we will write same as that, 3 is also same as that. Now again we can take 3, here 1, 5, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now
One.
again we can take 5, all 1, 1, 1.
1, 1,
1, 1. Understood?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Now
Ma'am,
time
for
is
it-
up. Okay, children? The
Ma'am,
time is up.
Ma'am,
The next teacher
ma'am,
will
one doubt. Ma'am, one doubt.
Ayman,
Ma'am.
can we do in our bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you tomorrow. No, see you.
Not tomorrow, today itself.